Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to day 3 of my 30-day affirmation challenge. Yesterday's affirmation was all about believing in myself, believing I can do whatever I set out to do, just getting rid of self-doubt. Today's affirmation is all about peace and calm and getting rid of your worries. you know um yeah, so I inhale peace and exhale worry. That is today's affirmation. This affirmation right here, I can tell it's going to be one of my favorites. Really, one of my favorites. So if you're new here, I will be reciting an affirmation every day for the next 30 days. So if you want to join me, go ahead and click subscribe and let's get into these affirmations, okay? So I inhale peace and exhale worry. This affirmation is a natural relaxer, so to speak. It helps you slow things down and get rid of your anxiety, or at least help reduce your anxiety. I have had a lot of anxiety recently, and it's gotten to the point to where, when I'm stressed and anxious, I don't have an appetite, which in some cases is good because I can afford to lose a few pounds. But, you don't take care of yourself when you're stressed and worried. And I'm a mom. I have to take care of myself. I have kids and a husband to take care of. So I have to have peace and just take care of myself. So I inhale peace and exhale worry is an affirmation that you can use to help with your anxieties and your stresses of the day. It's something that you can use and just relax and be calm, you know. Yeah, you guys, this one right here is just gonna be one of my favorites. We have a lot of stresses in our lives. I know when I was at my toxic work environment, oh my gosh, that place, it was horrible. And having a way to relieve stress when you're having a stressful day is really important. It's really important. I'm not I'm an introverted person, so I don't have like a lot of friends, to confide in, and I have to figure out ways to help me manage my stresses throughout the day. So, yeah, daily affirmations. So far, this is only day 3, and I am looking at the good things that are happening instead of dwelling on the negative things. My life is pretty boring. I'm in the house all day, but I do have some stresses that I can't take care of right away. They're not something that's gonna be over tomorrow type situation. So it's like having these affirmations is helping me reduce my stress and anxiety. Because when you're stressed, a lot of times you don't make good decisions. When you're stressed and anxious, you're like, okay, I got to do this right now, and that might not be the best thing. And you probably wouldn't make those decisions if you weren't under a lot of stress. So yes, this affirmation, I inhale peace and exhale worry, is definitely one that I will be using quite often Yeah, and I'm putting these videos, these affirmation videos, in a playlist, and I'm definitely gonna go back and listen to all of these affirmations. Now, if you want to join me on this challenge, go ahead and click subscribe and like the video, and let me know how these affirmations are working for you. And you don't have to choose the same affirmations that I am choosing. You can choose an affirmation that is catered to you specifically. Right now, I have a lot of stress and worries, so my affirmations are geared to that at the moment. But yeah, you can look up affirmations for whatever you're going through and pick 30 of them and say them through the 30 days, and we'll just see what effect this will have on our minds, you know. So, okay, you guys, I will see you in the next one for day 4, and thanks for watching. Okay, bye.